Izhevsk is the arms capital of Russia. For more than 200 years, it has been manufacturing advanced firearms. The city began with a man-made Izhevsk pond. Now it's a popular holiday destination. For more than 100 years, however, it's water-powered factory machines. At the Izhevsk Armory, they used to make flint rifles for Kutuzov's army, Berdan rifles for Skobelev, Mosin's rifles for the First and Tokarev self-loading rifles for the Second World War. The best gunsmith and metallurgists were awarded the Tsar's Kaftan. During the Second World War, the plant produced 12,000 rifles per day for the front lines. Since 1948, the legendary Kalashnikov rifle has been produced here. And Russian biathletes also win the Olympic medals with Izhevsk rifles.